Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm the founder and the president of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also the chief formulator at the Root Brands, and I work with companies like Ella Pure, Bill & Coo, Mercy Dupree Clothinaires, and Byram and Rahm Pharmaceutical. Why do I do all these things? I do these things because I want to provide solutions for the world. I really want us to have a better future, and I want to evolve as a species so that we can support each other. And instead of living in chaos and fear, we live in a solution, peaceful environment. I'm going to read to you a little bit about one of the patents and trade secrets that are extremely important to me, as I understand that they really impact our land, air, and water, people, and animals. This particular patent is called Extractions of Silicas, Silicates, Silver Ions, Zeolites, Zeolite Materials, and Combos thereof, and Methods for Manufacturing and Use. I want to read this to you. Environmental toxins are implicated in illnesses and diseases such as Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, autism, infertility, diabetes, hypertension, COPD, CVD, lipidemia, cancer, neuropathy, allergies, addiction, ALS, Lyme disease, Parkinson's, MS, fibromyalgia, RA, hypercholesterol, and also hyperthyroidism. It's really important that people understand the effects of the environment and how pharmaceutical and nutraceutical solutions need to be provided for people suffering from these autoimmune disorders and diseases. See, autoimmune disorders and diseases are a natural part of us progressing. There's something that happened because of environmental factors and genetics. So I worked on different patents that fractionized extractions and isolates of the different silicas and orthosylic acids that include a lot of our rare and normal minerals that we have in the world. I wanted to do this understanding that different types of orthosylic acid lined the Aztec and Incas for water, as well as the different pyramids, but we haven't utilized them as much as we should. So I provided different types of solutions that would be efficacious and safe. I also use different vitamins and minerals, as well as aminos and different peptides to really provide further solutions to extract the environmental toxins out of our body and support our bodies so that we can live happier, longer lives. See, you can live to be 130, but if you live to be 130, you need to be able to clean the inside of your body out. So that was the goal of these patents. That was the goal of the inventions and the trade secrets that I'm utilizing in the different formulas that I make. I will be teaching this at Rahm Thomas University and at the International Science Nutrition Society so that we can help a younger generation understand this type of technology so they can provide even further advancements in science. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to all of us being on this journey together.